Hari Om. Arjuna is seeing directly the Virat Roop, and he is doing stuti of Bhagwan, and in his stuti, in his praise, he is describing what he is seeing. So he is seeing God in all his glories, with all the variety of worlds and beings, everything existing in Ishvara. So he saw that his body extending all the way to the very limit of the space, Navasprasham Deeptamaneka Varnam, with many variety of colors and variety of forms. Then Arjuna also saw Danstra Karalani cha Mukte Mukhani, his mouth with teeth and fangs and all. And then he got real frightened. He said that other worlds are also frightened, and I am also getting frightened. I am losing my balance. I do not know the directions, also getting deluded regarding the direction. My mind is getting restless. So please bless me. Prasida Devesha Jagannivasa. Then he saw all the various Kauravas and the sons of Dhritarashtra as though entering Bhagwan's mouth. Even Bhishma, Pritamaha, Dronacharya and Karna and so many other warriors, he saw them entering Bhagwan's mouth and just disappearing into him. So Vaktrani te tvarmana vishanti danshtra karalani bhayanakani and kechit vilagna dashanantareshu, and some of them are getting stuck in between his teeth, and their heads and all getting crushed under his teeth. So like that he is seeing the future of this war also. All the great warriors, he is seeing them dying. So he continues his description. We'll chant verse number 28. Yatha nadinam bahavombu vegaha samudrameva bhimukha dravante tatha tavami naraloka viraha Vishanti Vaktranyabhivijvalante. Yatha Nadinam, here is giving example. It is like all these various rivers with their powerful current and force as they go and merge into the ocean. And all these rivers are as though in a hurry to merge into the ocean. And when they merge into the ocean, they lose their name and form and become one with the ocean. Similarly, many of these great warriors like Bhishma Pitamaha, Dronacharya are just going into Bhagwan's mouth and as though merging with him, leaving their names and forms behind, and they are just becoming one with him. So, though the Pandavas and Kauravas, they were fighting and this, but all these warriors, they had their own background also. Some of them were as though the very form of avatar of some of the Devatas and Vasus. So they had their own vision and their own way of following the path of Dharma, even Bhishma Pitamaha. So all of them approach death in a different way. Actually, our Dharma also teaches us how to approach death. So one who has got this understanding of Dharma in a more profound way will not be afraid of death. we'll consider death as something like the rivers merging into the ocean. We just lose our name and form, but we become one with our source. We are not, we don't lose by dying, but we become one with our own source, our own self. So yatha nadinam bahava ambuvegaha, like that many rivers with their force and their current going into the ocean, samudramevabhimukhad dravanti, tatha tava ami naralokavira. In the same way, these great warriors of this world, I see them entering into you, vishanti vaktrani abhivijwalanti, in your fiery mouth, they are all entering there. So in a very dramatic way, Arjun could see as though what will happen in future. They are still, physically they might be still there, but already their, future is written. It's like when we uproot a tree, it might look very fresh, but already it is going towards death. Or all of us are in our own speed going towards the annihilation of this body itself. But how we go depends on our own understanding of life and death and dharma and that supreme reality. So here he is seeing some of the great warriors entering the mouth, the fiery mouth of Bhagwan, as though the rivers are entering into the ocean. But there are some others who are entering in a different way. So another example he gives in the next verse. Yatha pradiptam jwalanam patangaha vishanti nashaya samruddha vegaha tathaiva nashaya vishanti lokaha tavapi vaktrani samruddha vegaha. Some of the great warriors are entering Bhagwan's mouth like the moths enter the fire. See, some of the moths and all, they don't know the dangers of this fire, and they feel that it is some nice shining object, and they just rush towards it. But in the bargain, they just die. It just kills them. Similarly, some are so busy in their life and they are just moving around here and there, and they do not know that they are forcefully entering the death only. As though the moths are entering the fire and losing their bodies and dying there unknowingly. They might feel that, oh, we will get something nice to eat or maybe something nice to experience there, but they go towards the fire and they just die. Similarly, in life, people, they move in different direction but do not know that suddenly the death comes and catches them. So they are like unaware of life, unaware of death, busy in their own world, and suddenly the death catches them. So yatha pradiptam jwalanam patangaha vishanti. So just as patangaha, those moths, they pradiptam jwalanam vishanti, they enter the blazing fire. And why do they enter? Nashaya, to get destroyed only. And how do they enter? Samruddha vegaha, with full force they go. They just move there with tremendous force and they just collapse there. Similarly, Arjuna is saying that so many these warriors are just as though in a hurry, they are just entering the mouth of Bhagwan and just dying. Nashaya samruddha vegaha. Tathaiva nashaya vishanti lokaha. So all these lokaha means all these people, all these warriors who have assembled here, nashaya vishanti, for their own destruction, they enter the mouth, vaktrani samruddha vegaha, with full speed, they just move into Bhagwan's mouth. So Arjuna had this desire to see what will happen. He did not know what will be the outcome of this war. And Bhagwan said that whatever you want to see, you can see. And here he is seeing that the terrible war, and in which everyone, actually this war was so terrible that almost everyone got killed. Only these Pandavas remain and few other people, they survived. But otherwise everyone got destroyed, and the kingdom came to Yudhishthir. But it was quite a terrible war in which everyone was destroyed. And Bhagwan had said in the 4th chapter also, later now also he will tell, that I have taken this avatar to protect the good and to destroy the evil, and to also to bring a balance in this whole world. So Bhagwan has got his own methods of doing everything. So tatheva nashaya vishanti lokaha tavapi vaktrani samruddha vegaha. Further, he says, Lelhiyase grasamanas samantat Lokan samagran vadanair jwaladbhihi Tejobhirapurya jagat samagram Bhasastavogra pratapanti Vishnu He Vishnu, Lelhiyase grasamanas samantat lokan. Samantat lokan grasamanaha. You are devouring all these people from every side. All of them are just going into you. See, like some movies and all, na? We bring those CDs and try to watch them. When you watch them in the regular pace, everything seems to be going very nicely. But sometimes you should put it on fast forward mode and try to watch them. And just the whole thing goes with such speed, and everyone goes there towards its end. And the actions also doesn't look very, this is all funny only, just going here, going there and talking and just going into their conclusion. Similarly, all this, here also Bhagwan showed the whole future in fast forward motion, as though that all these great warriors who thought that they are the greatest and they can fight the war and they will win and all of them are going towards death only. And the most miserable thing is that Dhritarashtra was listening to all this, but there was no effect on him. So a person can be really blind, not only physically he was blind, but he was totally, even intellectually had become all very blind. He could not see. So here Arjuna is describing Lelhiyase grasamanas samantat lokan samagran. You are devouring all these people from every side. They are entering your mouth. Vadanair jwaladbihi, in your fiery mouth they are entering. And Lelhiyase, and you are licking your tongue also and just relishing that. Just like when we eat something very nice and all. We eat. Yeah, that is the sign actually that the food is really good. We start licking our fingers also, start licking our mouth, so that food is really very nice and we are relishing it. Similarly here, Bhagwan was relishing that action of devouring all these different people. Because for Bhagwan, life and death is just a part of his cosmic play. So just relishing, lelhiyase, licking away. Lelhiyase grasamanas samantat lokan samagran vadanairhi jwaladbihi, in that fiery mouth. So everything is so poetically described here. Actually, if we also understand the beauty of this Sanskrit, then you can enjoy it more. Tejo virapurya jagat samagram bhasastavograha pratapanti Vishnu. Hey Vishnu, with your teja, you are creating tapa in this whole world. Your teja apurya, your teja, your brilliance has filled the entire world. Samagram jagat tejaha apurya. You have filled the entire world with your teja. Tejo vihi apurya jagat samagram. With your teja you have filled. So much brilliance and brightness is there that you have filled the entire, I can feel, I can see the entire cosmos filled with your brilliance only. And having filled, you are creating the tapa in this whole world. Bhashastavograha pratapanti Vishnu. And then Arjuna had this great opportunity to see Bhagwan in this cosmic form. There is a story of one rishi who also got this opportunity to see the pralaya of this entire world. He requested Bhagwan, I want to see pralaya. So he was giving a special chance to see the pralaya of this entire world. But otherwise, when pralaya happens, all the beings and everyone just go into it. Even the history of our own earth and all, it's so violent in the beginning and all. Now also it is very little soft, but now and then some violence is there. And later on also they say that the sun and all will become more brilliant and all sorts of things will happen. I'm not frightening you, but many million years later on. But there one doesn't remain there to see all those things. It just happens. But here Arjuna could see with his eyes